say why.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkem. In today's video I'll be installing a lace front wig from Celie hair. This is your 13x4 lace front wig. I'm going to be showing you how I installed this wig in this video. So the wig came in this customized purple box. The purple is cool, I love the color, and also it has a drawstring bag. But first I'm going to show you guys what is in the drawstring bag before I show you guys what is in the box. Inside the drawstring bag they sent me a hair bonnet, a red head bonnet, and a headband, and a pair of lashes. Also we have a wig cap here, and the last thing in the bag is their information card. This card contains details about the hair, tips on how to care for the hair, and their social media handles, like if you want to follow them on Instagram, Facebook, all of those handles, they're all listed on the card. So let me show you guys what is in the box. Now inside the box we have the hair and an extra adjustable strap. The hair is a 13x4 lace front coily wig, and it is 24 inch, and I love the length. You guys, I love long hair, or I like long hair, anyone. It is 200% density, which is perfect for a coily hair, and it's very full, and I like the volume of the hair. You guys can see the way the coils are. I'm going to use my hand to kind of like open up the coils later on in this video. So let me show you guys what the inside of the wig looks like. It has 1, 2, 3, and 4 combs. 2 by the sides and 1 under, and then 1 on top. And also it has an adjustable strap that you can use to just secure your wig, and then you can also use this extra adjustable strap to further hold the wig. And this is how the lace front looks like, and this is the front of the wig. It is pre-plucked. You guys, I don't need to plug this wig again, but I might just do a little plug into it. But it is good for a beginner if you don't know how to pluck your lace front, or if you don't know how to pluck your hairlines. This wig is perfect for you, so you don't have to bother going to pluck and doing all of those work. I might really not do anything to this again. I'm just going to install this wig and show you guys the process involved in installing this wig. So for the installation, I used the Got2b to install the wig. I'm going to also leave all details of this wig in my description, so you guys can check that out if you want to place your order for this wig. Now, if you've watched to this point of the video and you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and do not forget to turn on the bell notification, so that whenever I post out a new video, you will get notified and be the first to watch, or be among the first set of people to actually see my videos. Also give this video a huge thumbs up if you find it helpful. Also it helps my channel, and also it helps this video as well. Please give it a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this hair, the installation process, just everything. Leave your comment in the comment section.
say why you're a stranger now. Your eyes escape mine when I sit you down. Don't you feel like we're holding on onto a fairy tale, but the magic's gone? Been months of bluffing the blushes and faking the butterflies. Wake up, yeah, I'm kicking the castle down. Ooh, yeah, I think it's time to talk. Ooh, yeah, I think it's time to talk. I think it's time to talk. Ooh, yeah, I think it's time to talk. Ooh, yeah, be true to what we want. Forget how it felt from the outset. Hope history said. Ooh, yeah, I think it's time to talk. Kinda missing how we kicked it off. Always in overdrive, now the feeling's lost. Blind to notice, we've been losing touch. Long gone fairy tale, yeah, we killed the rush. Been months of acting a fiction and staging a baptize.
So guys, this is the last step involved in this installation. I'm just going to spray my water and leave-in conditioner on the hair. This mixture, I use it a lot on my coily hair and it is really nice. So I'm just going to use it and just define the coils and make the coils really nice. I'm just going to use to define the coils and make the coils look more beautiful. So this is all I did for this installation, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do and leave your comment below. Do not forget to check my description for more details about this wig. I love you guys. Bye bye.